welcome back to the channel, and today we are breaking down a stock that went from red hot to just plain red, Amprius Technologies, ticker AMPX. Before we jump in, smash that subscribe button because charts like this, we break down every single day. So here's the way things stand right now. AMPX opened at 1338, spiked up to 1447, crashed down to 1226 and closed the day at 1238. That's a brutal drop, down $1.21, almost 9% gone in a single trading day. Quick question for you guys, drop in the comments, were any of you holding this stock today? How'd that red candle feel? Alright, let's zoom out because trust me, this one day drop is just the tip of the iceberg. Rewind back to September of the last year and this stock was basically sleeping, trading down around 4 or 5 bucks. Nobody was watching it. Then things start heating up, slow and steady, climbing week after week through the September into October. By late October, AMPX blasted past $15, a massive gain in just few short weeks. But watch what happens next. The stock starts chopping sideways and that is your classic briefer after a big run. Through November and December, the price keeps sliding, testing support down around $10 to $11. By the end of the December into January, drops even further, all the way down to the $8, giving back ton of those gains. And honestly, this is right here is the perfect lesson. Chasing green candles without a real plan will burn you every time. Then February hits and we get a sharp spike back up toward $15, followed by an equally sharp slap back down. That spike and fade move usually means one thing, news or earnings shaking what sinks the up behind the scenes. And speaking of the earnings, see those little markers on the chart in March and May? Those are earning dates. Earning season is exactly when the stocks like this can gap hard or up or down. So always mark your calendar. After that February head fake, the stock quietly builds a floor, setting up what for happens next. And what comes next is huge. From late February all the way to through April, AMPX absolutely explodes. The stock rockets from around $10 all the way near up to the $23 at the peak. That is over 100% gain in just 2 months, an absolutely wild run. Have you ever caught a move like that or missed one just like it? Tell me in the comments below. Check out the volume bars at the bottom, big green spikes on those breakout days, that is real buying power showing up. After hitting that April high near $23, the stock cools off, trading sideways between 18 and 22 through May. That sideways grinds between April and June, that is the market deciding push higher or roll over and fall. Then in June, one final push. AMPX spikes to a fresh high just shy of the $24. But look closer, that top comes with a long wicks and heavy red volume right after, a classic sign of exhaustion. And from that June peak, it has been rough steady slide ever since. Down from $24 all the way back to today's close of $12.38. That's a brutal 48% crash from the highs in just few short weeks. And that right there is a golden rule of the trading. What shoots up fast can crash down just as fast. Right now, the stock is hovering right around a key level, that 12 to 1250 zone. After hours, it's trading at 1254, a little bounce above the close, definitely one to watch tomorrow. So here's a big question, is this bottom forming or just a pause before more pain? I wanna hear it. Are you bullish on bounce here or do you think AMPX still has a room to fall? Drop your predictions below, let's see who nails it by next few weeks update. And remember, this stock, this volatile can swing hard in both directions, so always manage your risk. Quick reminder, this is not financial advice, just a breakdown of the chart so you can form your own game plan. If this kind of breakdown helps you out, smash that like button and hit the subscribe so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching guys, drop your thoughts on down below and I will see you on the next video.